Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello kids! Today we're going to draw a colorful scooter step by step. Grab your pen and let's get started. First, draw the headlight and handlebar. Next, draw the body shape and the seat. Sketch a curved shape for the main body and add an elongated oval on top for the seat. Add a curved line along the lower side of the body to represent the cover. Next, let's draw the front mudguard.
Yay!
Now, draw the front wheel. Add a large circle for the wheel, with smaller circles inside for the rim and details.
Awesome.
Now, draw exhaust panel. Finally, draw the second wheel at the back, keeping it aligned with the first wheel. Add a mudguard and a small tail light on the rear. Awesome! Our drawing is ready. Now, it's time to add some vibrant colors. For front light, I use orange color. Green for I use handlebar. For red, I use handle.
Wow!
I used blue for the front look, and behind it, I added a tiny touch of green. I picked red for the backside.
Wow!
Next, I use a yellow shade for the seat to make it stand out.
Unimaginable.
For exhaust cover, I use deep blue shade for a nice contrast.
Surprising.
Use orange for front mudguard and tail light.
Outstanding.
For tire, I use maroon. Same as back tire. Yellow for the center. Blue for the rims. Let's redraw this art line to make it look delightful. And there you have it. A fun and colorful scooter ready to ride. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time on Tiny Hands Art.